Hey guys, I've just had some goodies arrive in the mail. It's my Keychron Q0, which I've bought really to act as a macropad because of the programmable firmware. I've got the brown switches. I wanted to get the blue, but the brown was all that was available. Probably just as well because they're a bit of a quieter switch. So I noticed that I can't really find many videos on YouTube where they unbox these things. So I thought, well, we'll unbox one and we'll just get right to the point, shall we? So here's our little box. Let's just see what's in there, huh? All right. I love that sound. Let's pop the foam off the front. Got a little instruction manual. If you're into reading those, fully assembled and bare bone version, we've got the fully assembled version. Got a quick start guide. Information about the layout, the different layers that are available. Oh, so some layers by default out of the box by the looks of it. Then we've got languages other than English. Okay, cool. And here we've got cable. It's a USB-C with a USB-A connector on the end, which you can remove by the looks of it. It's very nice. It's all got the Keychron logos on. What else we got? What's in this little bag here? Oh yeah, just little rubber feet. And, well, here's the keyboard itself. Oops, dear me. Let's pop this out. Oh, it's actually quite a weighty little thing. I did not expect it to be so heavy. I actually got a Planky Z on my right here, and I would swear that this is actually lighter. It is. It really is. It's lighter. I was not expecting it to be such a chunky boy. That's pretty good. Here she is. Wow. Cold. It's all metal and really heavy. So these are the brown switches. Yeah, very nice. I've left my handprints all over it already. It's cold metal, really. There's your little USB-C thing in the back. That's really cool. That is really good quality. Can't wait to plug this in. Okay, and then under here, we've got a little card that says, make sure switch pins are straight before inserting switch in. That's because obviously the switches are interchangeable. I actually haven't had these Gateron switches before. Like the ones that I've always had have been the Cherry MX ones, which if you can hear this on the plank, and I've also got like another one here which actually has the Cherry MX Browns, which is a what is this one? That's a DAS keyboard. It's quite old now. They do sound quite different. And obviously under here, here's all our tools. Key puller. Yeah. Is that a screwdriver? I don't know. I'm not going to yank them out. But anyway, that's what's in the box. Info on the back. And that's it. So I'm going to get this thing plugged in and switched on. Probably not going to show that on the video just because there's plenty of videos of people actually plugging them in and using the things, but that's it. So I tell you what, if the Q6 that I'm wanting to order is as chunky and solid as this, that's going to be really cool. Alright, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now.